Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 16. Present age of father is 42 years and that of his son is 14 years. Find the ratio of present age of father to the present age of son. B. Age of the father to the age of son when son was 12 years old. C. Age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. Age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years old. Right. Now we'll solve this problem in this way. Here we'll solve question number A. Question number A is we have to write first present age of father. Present age of father is present age of father. Present age of father is equal to 42 years. 42 years. Present age of son. Present age of son. Present age of son. Present age of son is equal to 14 years. 14 years. Right? Find the ratio of present age of father to the present age of son. The ratio will be, therefore, ratio will be present age of father, present age of father to the present age of son, to the present age of son, to the present age of son. That is equal to present age of father was 42 years, and present age of son is 14 years. If we change into lowest term, that is 2 7 is 14, 2 2 is 4, 2 is 2, 7 is 7, 3 7 is 21. That is 3 by 1, or you can write it as 3 is to 1. Therefore, the ratio of present age of father to the present age of son is 3 is to 1. Right? This is the solution of question number A. Now question B. What is question B? See, question B is age of father to the age of son when son was 12 years old. Right? When son was 12 years old. Now we'll solve question number B. Question number B. What is that? When son was 12 years old. Now here you see present age of son. Present age of son is equal to 14 years. 14 years. Now, when the age of son was 12 years old, that means 12 years old, that means 2 years before, right? That means when the age of son, when son was 12 years old. 12 years old. When the son will be 12 years old? Before 2 years, right? Before 2 years, before 2, is 14 minus 2 is 12 years. That means before 2 years, the son was 12 years old. That means when son was 12 years old, age of father was 42 minus 2, that is 40 years. That is equal to 40 years. Okay. Now, when son was 12 years old, the age of father was 42 minus 2, that is 40 years. Therefore, age of father, ratio of age of father to the age of son, to the age of son. Age of father was 40 years and age of son is 12 years. If we change into lowest term, 2 6 is 12, 2 20 is 40, 2 3 is 6, 2 10 is 20, that is 10 is 10 by 3, or you can write it as 10 is to 3, 10 is to 3. Therefore, when the son was 12 years old, age of father was 42 minus 2, that is 40 years old. Therefore, age of father and to the age of son, ratio of age of father to the age of son was 40 by 12, that is 10 is to 3. This is the solution of question number B. Now we shall solve question number C. What is question number C? You see, question number C is age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. Right? Now question number C. After 10 years, after 10 years, after 10 years, age of father will be age of father will be 42 plus 10 years, right? 42 plus 10 years, that comes to 52 years. 52 years, right? And after 10 years, age of son will be age of son will be 14 plus 10, that comes to 13 plus 10 years, and that is equal to 24 years. 24 years. Now, the ratio of age of father, age of father, age of father to the age of son, to the age of son, to the age of son. Age of father was 52 years, and age of son will be 24 years. 24. If we divide it by 2, 2 is 2, 2 is 4, 2, 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, 2 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, that is 13 by 6, that is 13 by 6, that is equal to 13 is to 6, right? Therefore, after 10 years, age of father will be 42 plus 10 years equal to 52 years, and age of son will be 14 plus 10 years, that is 24 years. And therefore, the ratio of age of father to the age of son will be 52 by 24, and it comes to 13 is by 6. Therefore, the ratio of age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years is 13 is to 6. That is the solution of question number C. Now we solve question number D. Question number D is question number D. Question number D is here, you see, age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years old. That means when father was 30 years old, right? When father was 30 years old. When father was 30 years old. That means present age of father is 42 years. present age of father, present age of father is 42 years, and when the age of father was 30 years. And what is the difference? Difference is 42 minus 30. The difference is 12 years. Right? That means before 12 years, his father was 30 years, and before 12 years, his son was, age of son was, before 12 years, before 12 years, before, that means before 12 years, before 12 years, 12 years, age of son, age of son was 14 minus 12, that is 2 years. 2 years. Now, the ratio of age of father, ratio of age of father to the age of son, to the age of son, age of son is equal to age of father 30 and age of son is 2 years. That is 2 and 2, 2 15 is 30. That is 15 by 1, or you can say it as 15 is to 1. Right. Therefore, age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years old. When father was 30 years old, that means there is a difference of 12 years. Here you see, there is a difference of 12 years. And before 12 years, his father was 30 years old. Therefore, before 12 years, age of son was 14 minus 12, that is 2 years. Right? Therefore, age of father to the age of son was 30 by 2, that is 15 by 1, or you can say 15 is to 1. Therefore, age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years old is 15 is to 1. This is the solution of question number 16 of exercise 12.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.